Today we will discuss bill of material. Go to manufacturing module and click on BOM. Upon clicking you can see a listing form. You can also search BOM by ID and item. To create a new BOM, click on Add BOM button. Select item, which need to be manufactured from drop-down list. Enter quantity of item obtained after manufacturing. Next section is cost configuration, which is already configured in system. Now enter raw material, which is used in making these manufacture items. Enter item code from drop-down list. Enter quantity. The average FIFO method is used to determine the rate as per system configuration. Click on Add Row button. Enter all the item and quantity, which is used to create these items. After enter all the details, go to Operations tab. Click on With Operation to manage cost of operations. Click on Add Row button to add operations. Select operation from drop-down list. Enter operation times. You can also check the fixed time if operation take fixed time. You can add multiple operation by clicking on Add Row. Select operation from drop-down list. Enter operation times. You can also create new operation by clicking Create a new operation, a new form open. Click on Edit Full Form button, open complete form. Now enter operation name. Job card section, you can create job card based on batch size. Now click on Save button to save the operation. Now enter time operation. Next, Scrap and Process Loss tab. In Operation tab there is another option, Finished Goods Based Operating Cost, in which you can enter operating cost per BOM quantity, which calculate finished goods based operating cost. Next, Scrap and Process Loss tab. Scrap items are managed by defining them in the bill of materials and tracking them through the manufacturing process to their designated scrap warehouse. You can add scrap item by clicking Add Row button and enter item. Enter item code. Enter quantity. The average FIFO method is used to determine the rate as per system configuration. You can enter multiple item by clicking Add Row button. Enter item and quantity. You can also enter % process loss. Next, Costing tab, in which you see multiple section like Operating Cost, Raw Material Cost, Scrap Material Cost, and Total Cost. Next is More Info tab, in which you see Quality Inspection field. Quality inspection allows you to define and track quality parameters and criteria for items during the manufacturing process. After enter all the details, click on Save button. After save, click on Costing tab. You can see operating cost will calculated by system accordingly. Now click on Submit button for submission the BOM. The BOM will submit successfully. Now go to the Stock module and click on Stock Entry. Now click on Add Stock Entry button. Now select Stock Entry Type Manufacturing from drop-down list. Now select from BOM from BOM Info section. Enter BOM number, which we already created, and click on Get Item button. Enter finished good quantity. Now click on Get Item button. All the data will be fetched from BOM. Enter default target warehouse. Rate will be fetched accordingly. Now Additional Cost tab. The Additional Cost tab in Stock Entry allows you to record and allocate extra costs, such as freight or handling charges and expenses. Select the expense account from drop-down list. Enter description. Enter amount. Next, tab Accounting Dimensions. After verifying all the details, click on Save button. If any mandatory data is missing, this message shown. Enter default source warehouse. After that, click on Save button. After save, click on Submit button to submission the stock entry. The stock entry submits successfully. Now click on View button to view the stock ledger. Click on Stock Ledger, a new form open, and you can see Stock Ledger Report. The stock ledger report provides a detailed record of all stock movements, including quantities and values. Now go to Stock Entry Form and click on View button, and select Account Ledger. A new form opens and you can see Account Ledger Report. The Account Ledger Report provides a comprehensive view of all financial transactions.